real special.
So Brent has 6 girlfriends.
Yeah, we're all Brent's girlfriends.
Yeah.
Can you get copyright if you sing songs wrong? If you don't know the lyrics correctly? What is up, guys? It's Ava, and today... I don't know. We have an issue. It smells good, though. Oh my god, my hair smells so good. Ooh. So basically for the past 2 months, I've just been getting kind of bored of my blonde hair. I mean, if you've been following my channel for a while, you guys know that I've always resorted back to blonde, but every now and then I just want to go back to my roots, you know, my like actual roots. I want to go brown. That's the point of this video. Pretty much all my friends want me to go brown, but I think my family wants me to stay blonde. I'm not gonna lie, I look pretty good blonde, but this is not it. This is simply not it. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Ow. I think I'm just in a time in my life right now where my skin is breaking out. This is the worst breakout I've had in literally a year and a half. My lip, it's like torn because it got so dry, it like ripped off. You know when that happens? And then like, I've got big pimples forming like on the sides of my face because I wore a wig the other day and put wig glue all around my temples, and then it gave me acne, like big, like, you know, like the big red ones that like sit for a while. My legs have like scars on them for some reason. I just got a bunch of scars, and then I have a bruise in my leg because I tried to pull, because I watched Hustlers and I tried to pole dance, and then that didn't work out. And then yeah, it's just a mess. Like I lost my toothbrush, so like I have to use this like crusty old toothbrush that I use to like slick my edges back, and like I'm using it with toothpaste, and like I can still taste the hairspray on it, and it's really gross, and my hair is breaking off because I don't even know why. I think I'm not drinking any water. It's because I'm not drinking any water. Anyway, I think it's just time for a change. I'm really excited. I want dark hair. Hopefully I don't regret this though. I feel like I'm in like an emo mood lately, so hopefully this will help me like live in my character more. Let's dye my hair. Let's go. What are you guys doing?
Filters are ugly. No.
What are you doing?
We were trying to do like a... She's doing filters on her phone, but they're all ugly.
Are those the Instagram ones? I don't know what she's
on. Okay, take it.
It is 1:25. I'm trying to have this stuff on my hair by 2 o'clock.
So good news?
Yeah. We're about to pull up to Sally's, looking for a ash brown, like a dark chocolate, but like ashy. You know when it gets old and it has those little like white spots on it?
No.
That's what I want it to look like.
Molded
little
dark-
dusty,
you want
moldy dark chocolate hair. I think that's what I want. I've never dyed my own hair before. Never.
What?
Wait, no, I've dyed my hair in like high school. I dyed it black. That was a mistake. Hey, we're here. We know what we want. We're getting in and out.
Yeah, it looks gray.
That's what I wanted, like a gray, poopy, dark chocolate. I'm not a professional. I'm just gonna like eyeball it.
Measuring it.
I'm just gonna eyeball it. Seems like one. Watch and learn.
Shake it, and then it fizzes up and flies out like last time.
What color does it look like in the bottom?
Gray.
Just how I want it.
Yeah, normally you section it in the 4th section.
Professional sectioning going on there.
That's definitely not sectioning.
And I should probably like brush it through, right?
Yes, you're supposed to have washed, brushed hair.
No, you're not, Maya. This is freaking stupid. It's supposed to be dirty hair.
Turn around.
Why?
Let's see that back shot. That sectioning.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It'll do.
You're gonna make it frizzy.
Well, gee, Maya, what else are you supposed to? I don't know about you, but I feel good about that.
You have that dead mirror.
I think it's looking good. So, done the whole head. Woo! And then we wash it out. I like it. I'll see you when it's finished. Good morning, guys. Today I'm heading over to Brent's house yet again. Oh my god, why is it so like overexposed? A little late. It's 2:24 p.m., which means I'm not gonna get to Brent's house until like probably around 5 o'clock, which isn't good. I was supposed to leave at 1:30. That's not going to happen. It's too late for that. Oh, my little cacti. My boots are squeaking. You guys can't hear it. In other news, what else is new? Oh my gosh. Okay. So as you guys know, being a DJ is like my dream. So look at this. Guys, you guys watching this may not understand what this is, but it's basically my entire life savings and all of my hopes and dreams. So if you guys have been following me for the past couple years, I think in like maybe 2000, let me back it up. Ever since I started YouTube, like you can go back. I'm not gonna say that I started any trends, But if you guys remember my old videos, like the videos where like I was like doing the intros, editing them, like putting all this music mixing together, I've always wanted to be a DJ. When I started making videos and I was doing all of my like editing and everything, I found my like that I was able to express my passion in music by editing those intros with like, if you remember, like, I'm not gonna put them in because I'm gonna get copywritten. Intros were where I could like be my own DJ. Take like crazy dubstep songs and I take like Skrillex and I'd mash it up and I'd make it in my intro. And I would combine like my girliness with my like hardcore like trap DJ-ness. I don't know, it was just a cool way for me to show you guys a little bit into my world and like the stuff that I like to listen to. And then like in 2014, I started making you guys Spotify playlists for like pretty much all of my videos that I made. So yeah, that was kind of like my start of like showing you guys that I wanted to do music and like DJ and stuff like that. Then all my videos got copywritten, so we can't do that. We can't do that anymore. Now that I can't make my intros anymore because anything over 5 seconds will be copywritten, it's time to move on to the big dogs, actually becoming a DJ. I have been working tirelessly on learning how to become a proper DJ. Can't say I'm professional yet. I'm definitely not. I've only DJ'd one proper event and a lot of house parties. I want to get to like main stage Coachella. That's the goal. Like honestly, I'm not kidding. That's the goal. These are like what Skrillex uses. Like Skrillex is my idol. You guys don't even understand. When I saw Skrillex live for the first time, I practically pooped my pants. So Skrillex is the goal. This is what Skrillex uses. So I need to master this thing right here. I'm just gonna work every freaking day, every single day until I can DJ for you. You watching this right now. Until I can DJ for you, until I'm in your city playing, I will be practicing every day. Anyway, this is my outfit today. I'm wearing pants that I got from Australia in Melbourne. This is my USB. This is what I DJ with. Let's go to Brent. Let's go to Brent's. I have to get gas on the way. Yeah. Also, I had to replace my water filter the other day, and for some reason, some of the ice is coming out black. And I don't know what that means, so if someone can comment down below how poisonous that is, let me... Oh my god! That does not look healthy. That looks like it's going to kill me. So anyway. Yeah, so my ice is out to kill me. Look at that. Jesus in a bottle. Oh! Yeah!
Ready to guess your word?
Yeah, just another day at the office.
Yeah.
You're not even vlogging.
I know I'm not vlogging yet.
I'm currently here with Brent, and
What's
of
up, guys?
course, yet another day of weird happening. We're playing public Hangman
Yeah.
for Brent's video.
Yes, things are about to get weird because she's about to take off clothing in the mall.
I love how like that was added.
That was necessary.
Everything else isn't weird.
Can you guess the word?
Dibs.
No.
So I just finished playing Hangman with Brent. I guessed it right, so they're over there trying to figure out what the next move is. I don't want to give it away, so you guys are going to have to watch Brent's video to find out what the Hangman actually said, but we're in the mall.
We thought of it. Let's go.
Okay. Just had to take my shoes off in this mall, but I honestly wasn't mad about it because my socks are really cool. They've got orca whales on them.
Literally, it went from like smelling like roses to
Okay,
smelling like
shut
feet.
Brent's
feet
car.
smell so
Shut
bad.
Brent's car.
last time
I didn't say anything because I didn't want to embarrass you. Your car smelled so bad. It smelled like feet. You know it. It smelled so gross. You
My
need to
car doesn't smell.
Brent, your car smelled it smelled like when you don't shower for like 10 days.
What?
And you're laughing because you know you smelt it too. Can I just let you guys know, Brent's towel smells disgusting.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's embarrassed.
No, my towel does not smell
Yes,
disgusting.
it does, Verde.
No, I'm trying to save the earth, and to save the earth, you don't wash your towel every single time you shower.
Okay.
That's true.
Let me explain. So the other day, I took a shower in Brent's room. He only had one towel there, so I used the towel. The towel smelled like mildew.
No,
it smelled...
yeah.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm good
no,
for
it
the
didn't.
earth.
Yeah. Brent uses plastic straws, but he offsets it by not washing his towel.
Exactly.
So in return, Brent smells like mildew.
But
So if you ever meet
but I
Brent
don't-
and you smell, Brent smells like old towels.
No, I don't. How dare you say that? I am being accused of of smelling like mildew right now. Let's go downstairs.
Can we buy you a new towel, Brent? That should have been the Hangman. Anyway, we're in Target. I'm surprised Brent hasn't been banned from this Target.
So we're in Target right now. I'm about to buy my lovely
Wait, we're
lady.
buying my ring in Target?
I'm about to buy my lovely lady a ring.
We're buying a ring in Target? Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Everyone got a ring pop, so everyone's proposed to Brent now.
Ava, I have other people accepting the ring pops.
Wow, I feel real special.
So Brent has 6 girlfriends.
Yeah, we're all Brent's girlfriends.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do today?
Replacing my shoes. I'll throw them away right now if I get like some ones that I feel like I can wear like every day.
We are officially throwing away the stinky shoes. R.I.P. It's time to find Brent some new shoes.
Blue?
I like the blue, but I
I
think
like these, but I actually like these.
the green.
Yeah. We need to find him some new shoes. Because these smell.
They look pretty beat up.
Yeah, they're beat up, but yeah.
You can smell them from here.
You can.
I'd wear those.
No, because mine are the trippy Vans. Those are trips.
Yeah, we need to fix that. Okay, so we did not find Brent any shoes, which means another day with stinky feet. So pray for me. Oh my god. Brent, look at my phone. You guys can't even see this.
Wait, whose phone's that though?
That? It's not mine. It's dead. Oh my god.
Wait, look at this. Hey, it's Ben's old phone or something?
Yeah, that's definitely not a working phone.
Oh.
It's like Jumanji. Well, Brent, it's now 1 a.m. It's time for me to go home. Ew! Wait, let me smell that. Have you been wearing that sock all day?
I wore it to work out this morning, and I wore it yesterday.
It's only the toes that smell. Isn't that kind of gross? Like the rest doesn't smell except for the little toe part. Why do your toes sweat? Ew. Look, it's just the toe. Okay, time to drive back home to LA. Do you have any snacks?